Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb bring out. Imagine you are at a team meeting and your manager says, "This project really brings out the best in everyone." That means the project reveals everyone's top skills. Or picture this, your company is about to bring out a brand new app. That means they're launching it, releasing it to the public for the very first time. So, what does bring out mean? It means to reveal, highlight, or release something. In business, you hear it when a company brings out a new product, they launch it. But it also means to make a quality or trait become visible. Like when a great leader brings out confidence in their team, they help that confidence come to the surface. It is all about making something shine that was already there. Now, here is your challenge. After watching this video, go to the comments and post an example using bring out. Commenting is one of the best ways to show engagement, and it helps you put your knowledge into practice. I read every single one. Alright, back to examples. Example 1. The new CEO brought out a bold strategy that transformed the company. She revealed a powerful plan. Example 2. Good mentors bring out hidden talents in young professionals. They help those talents become visible. Example 3. Our marketing team just brought out a fresh campaign for the summer. They launched something brand new. Example 4. Traveling always brings out my adventurous side. It reveals a part of your personality you love. Example 5. Cooking for friends brings out my creativity. It makes that creative energy come alive. Don't forget, drop your example in the comments right now. Show me how you use bring out. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.